It is working. What? It is working. But then, hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, I'm going to be giving you the most honest review based on the Dudu Osun soap. That is the African black soap. Because this is my story. What happened is, let's say about 1 month and a half ago, I went out there seeking for help, wondering which is the best soap which can actually finally do some magic onto my skin. And so this particular person advised me go for this soap because it works wonders. Well, I went out there and picked the soap from the shelves and started using the particular soap for my face because I wanted to get rid of the black spots that were appearing, and then the pimples, all the struggles that we have. And yes, I would say that soap works wonders for others. Apparently, maybe not for me, but that's not just it. I used our soap well regularly because I asked the person, because there was the seller, asked the seller, for how long do I use this soap and how do I use the particular soap? And the seller was like, the effect and the impact depends on how long you use it. So I started using my soap. Even when traveling, I had to have our black soap in my bag. You know the struggle when you're trying to do away with something. And so, day one, good. Day two, the first week, the first month, I will admit it. Maybe the first month I was not that consistent in using it to wash my face using warm water and the soap. Sometimes I would use cold water and the soap. But towards the next month, the end of the next month, I would use the soap with what you are prescribed, what you're told, warm water. I have used this soap. Woo! If it's faithfulness, I have been faithful to this soap. This particular soap. And so, even when I am applying it right now, I want to tell you the truth. Ask me how I was using it. I would wash my hands, sometimes even use a towel, a face towel, to wash my face with it. Like, you see, take my time on my face, like we are told, take your time, massage that face. But it doesn't, maybe it has worked like a little bit, and it's in 2 months. And most of the times when you want effects, you just check it in a few weeks. So I am still here, and I'm telling you guys, I am going to try something else, and I'm going to give you my honest review. Mimi siwezi wadanganya. I'll not lie to you. My face is not as smooth as we would want it to be. It is not yet there. It is not done with the pimple, with the rashes. They are still there. So my point is, maybe it takes 3 months and I have done it for 2 months. But it works for others. For some people, actually, I have had people saying that it is working for them. It is everyone is telling you to use it, but I'm just telling you what is happening to me. I cannot see enough. My face, it still has the rashes, the pimples, the whatever. But I am into a new product, and I hope we are going to review it together. I hope that one works out wonders. So this one, it doesn't work fully, it partially, and I guess I'm saying that just to console myself. So if you're going to buy this soap, all the best. maybe for you it will work, because I told you, my truth is it works for some people, it doesn't work for others. Like for me, it didn't work fully, so just maybe partially, because I have been faithful. If faithfulness was a person, you would be looking at her right here. So that's it. So please like this video. If you have used it before and it worked for you, tell me in the comment section, or maybe I am using it wrongly. I've used it for 2 months long, or maybe I should be patient. Tell me what you think, guys. Should I be patient and continue using it? But anyway, I just told you I'm going to try something else, and then we see where it will take us. This soap doesn't work for everyone. It doesn't. It doesn't. Even when I smear myself like this, like that, it doesn't work for everyone. Well, for some time you may see like, oh my goodness, it's working. It is working. What? It's working. But then, shock on you, it is not working. It is not working for me. We can say maybe what it does, it removes just some tiny bit. And you can hear I've used it for 1 month, and actually it is 2 months now. Because this month is the month that I've started being reluctant. It doesn't work for everyone. So, and you know my skin type is the oily type, so do it at your own risk. It doesn't work for everyone, maybe for some people. For me, I've used it. Maybe someone would say, you're using your hands. Well, without sugarcoating any of this, that is my most honest review from my very own experience. And if you enjoy such kind of videos and you'd like to know the next product that I'll be using, if it works, how it works out, just to be cautious on it, click here to watch my next upload, and make sure that you like this one. You can also share it out, but just click up here to watch more reviews. See you there.